Hello good people and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn, hours saved every day. In this short video, we'll learn how to visualize trends with Sparklines in Excel. Sparklines are tiny charts you can place in a cell to help you visualize data. You can find Sparklines under the Insert tab in the ribbon. They come in three forms: a line, column, or win or loss. You can use any of these to visualize your data. Each Sparkline represents a row of data that you select. So in this example, we want to learn how to insert a line, Sparkline. So we'll just delete what we've done here. So to do this, you need to select the range of cells or a particular cell if you are doing it for only one row. So in this case, I'll just select all these, go to Insert, and then choose the type of Sparkline I want. So I'll choose the line Sparkline. There are two fields. The first one is the location range. This is where the Sparkline is going to be inserted. So I've already selected this. That's why you have this reference. The first one, the top one, is the data range where your values are. So I'll go in here and I'll select this entire range. So as I said, each row will give you one Sparkline. So you need to make sure that you selected the right set of rows. So I click OK. And I get this default. Now you realize that in selecting these cells, you have the option to edit the Sparkline. So in editing, you can change the type, switch to column, or win or loss is normally useful when you have negative and positive cases. So here, a line is good enough. You can also put in markers. So first point, last point, markers, negative, all these options are here. For this one, we want to put in high points and low points. So we get these markers for high points and low points within these 5 years. You could also change the marker colors. So for bullish or high points, you can make them green, and then you maintain the bearish or low points at red. You can do that using marker color. Change high points to green, and then you maintain the low points at red. So there are various options you can go through here in the settings. Please practice and add it to your list of Excel tricks. For more of these short videos, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We'll add you to our broadcast list. We send videos directly to you on Mondays and Fridays. All our old videos are on our YouTube channel, Excel Hacks for Productivity. Please visit and click subscribe for notification of new videos, or give us a like on our Facebook page. Thanks for watching.